the crocodile clamps, it's the same dealio, but now you don't really need to worry about the insulation that much, but still. To take off this insulation, you press it open, take a screwdriver, put it in, and then you have room enough to pull it out. Same dealio later on to put it back together. Take your iron, heat it up from the outside. And tin it. Now we don't really get with our iron inside of that clamp because it's a really small one. So we do it from the other side. Same dealio. Press this extra metal down to the insulation of the cable. Have a good snug fit and you have a perfect connection. This one is the red one. I take my screwdriver, try to open it and get the insulation over. There we go. This is all sheep material, so yeah, it's bending and twisting, so but I rather like 5 sheep clamps than one expensive one. Yeah, that's who I am. I'm a cheapskate. And I break a lot. If it's expensive or not. The black one. I'm gonna wait again a second. And shorten this just a few mil, not even a full mil. One finished cable. They are always handy. Some crocodile clamps and a DC connector.